Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is LC. I'm going to do a short video series about how your personality defines your investing or trading style. As of now, I have planned 3 parts for this video series. I might make it 4. Let's see how it goes. This is the first part of this series. First of all, I would like to tell you my motivation for doing this topic. I believe most of us gone through a process of searching for the investing or trading methodology that can make us lots of money. We read books, we read articles, we gone through posts in forum, we also talk to friends. Some of us even sign up investment and trading courses. Wherever some of you see a so-called guru appear in Facebook or Google, you sign up with the hope of learning the Holy Grail. Throughout the search, you will experience and learn that there are different schools in investment world. One school provides tons of evidence to prove that long-term investing is a proven working method. Since Warren Buffett is the richest person in the world, you should follow his method. They show you the power of compounding, focus on the business value, not the price. They wave at you with smile. Come, join us. Another school shows you that how good technical analysis and how much money you can make when riding on a trend. Forget the value. Trend is your friend. They also waving at you. Come, join us. You are the one. Then another school telling you that fundamental analysis and technical analysis have their own pros and cons. Why not combine both of them? Then you probably see light at the end of the tunnel. So the situation is really like what happened in Star Wars. You are a newbie Jedi and you thought you will be the next Anakin Skywalker or Luke Skywalker. You are in dilemma of choosing the light side or the dark side. Things getting complicated. After going through the search, you say, let's join fundamental analysis. I should have long-term perspective, blah, 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 blah. So you pick that side. Then one article or another guru appear. They show you their astonishing results and make your decision shaken. They yelling to you, you were the chosen one. I'm sure you've gone through this emotion state. I believe that most of the people you met in the journey have good intentions and trying to offer hands to you. Also, it is no harm for you to explore different schools in investment world. My advice is to you in this aspect, learn and respect the differences. Don't be so obsessed with the debate of which one is superior, which one is inferior. There is no prize and trophy for that. Who is to judge, right? However, after you exploring offerings from different schools, you should take a couple of steps back. You probably overlook one important component, that is knowing yourself. In my opinion, most of the methods out there serve different purposes. Some people are more successful with value investing. Some are more successful with intraday trading. Some are more successful with momentum trading. Based on my observation, a short disclaimer here, still not an empirical research. One of the reasons one method works so well for an individual is because the method fits personality of the individual. It doesn't need to be 100% fit. Close enough will do. Maybe 80 or 90% fit. The individual can easily adopt and adjust his mindset to the mindset required by the particular method. I think you should pick the method that fits your personality, not changing your personality to fit the method. If you self-aware your personality, you can easily pick the method that fits you the most. Then you can also easily adopt and adjust your mindset accordingly. Here, my intention is to give you some new ideas to stimulate your thoughts. I'm going to share with you a survey to determine your personality. Then, in the next video, I will share the characters and behaviors of each personality type. Then, probably the last video, I will share with you how the personality defines your investing or trading style. Here is a quote from Gary Vee. Two fundamental components in successful entrepreneurship are health and self-awareness. This quote actually resonates with our topic today. I can change it to two fundamental components in successful investment are health and self-awareness. About the health component, let me share with you a real-life example. Ever since I started workout and control my diet in 2016, I have lost 25 kg. I found that I have higher stamina and energy in doing more things in a day. I have better focus and my mind is also crystal clear. I still have 12 kg to lose to reach my goal. I target to achieve that in the next 18 months. I think losing 1 kg per month is achievable. Sometimes bad health and disease burden also cause bad behavior in a person. For example, easily lost temper, short circuit, less patience, wrong judgment, and so on. You can consult nutritionists, dietitian, weight loss specialists, and doctor for good diet and exercise. However, health component is not our focus here. The next component is self-awareness. Self-awareness is about your ability to know your own personality, your own style, your needs, your bias, your interests, and your feelings. In the first part of this video series, I would like to share one survey to assist you to know your personality. The personality typology we're going to use is created by Carl Jung. Carl Jung was a Swiss psychiatrist and psychoanalyst who founded analytical psychology. You may think, wow, this tool was created 50, 60 years ago. Is it still applicable to us or not? Okay, the world changing rapidly every minute, but as far as I know, personality of human do not change much in the past few hundred years. So it is definitely applicable to us. There are 4 different types of personality in Carl's model: feeling, thinker, intuitor, and sensor. The summary of each personality is self-explanatory. I will discuss them in details in the next video. No style can be considered good or bad per se. There is nothing called the best personality. One can perform well and succeed in life and career by making the best use of what one already has. Also, no style is preferred or more right than another. In more than one way, all of us are feelers, intuitors, thinkers, and sensors. The intensity of each of these inborn personalities vary in each person. The tool evaluates you in two conditions, favorable and stress. It will tell you what is your primary personality under favorable conditions and what is your primary personality under stress condition. Let me show you the tool now. You can download the tool by clicking the link provided in the video description. In the Excel, you can choose language, English and Chinese. What you have to do is very simple. Go through every question, choose the rating accordingly. At the end, you will see the results. We will discuss how to interpret the results in the next video. I have few advices for you before you start doing the survey. First, when you do the rating, rate based on what you will do, not what you should do. Remember, this is not a moral test. You don't have to prove your personality to anyone. Just honest to yourself. Second, you may take 10 to 15 minutes to do the survey. Please take this time for self-reflection. Monitor your emotions and thoughts throughout the survey. This process will help you to understand yourself better. After you take the survey and see the results, you may argue and defend. The survey shows I'm sensor, but I think I should be a thinker. To validate the results, I encourage you to discuss with the person who knows you the best. You probably may not aware changes of your personality throughout the years. These results reflect the current state of you, not the one 20 or 30 years ago, not your childhood. Your experience and education throughout your life may have changed your personality. And of course, no model is perfect. Last but not least, don't send your results to me because I don't know you. That's all. I will release the second part of this video series in short future. Take your time to finish the survey. Remember, two fundamental components in successful investment are health and self-awareness. If you enjoyed the video, give me a like and share it out. If you didn't, a dislike. Subscribe for more, ring the bell, and I will see you in the next one.